So this is the Rs1000 ₹1000 wallet, and as you can see it is couriered by FedEx, and like it took around 3 days to deliver it to Pune from Mumbai. So looks pretty neat and good. Let's check out what's inside. Yeah, so you get this branding over here, and with the ₹1000 one you get this thing, the keychain of Urban Monkey, free. And this mesh pocket also comes with only in ₹1000 wallet. So how many compartments do we have? 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is a fifth one. This is not a chain, so it opens up like this, and if you can see, yeah, pretty good and neat wallet. You also get a key holder here, or you can just tie it with your jeans so that your wallet doesn't fall off. So the main compartment with the chain, everything looks of good quality, I would say, and overall 4.5 out of 5 for this wallet. Thanks for watching.